In today's video, I'm going to show you how to lazy load YouTube videos in WordPress. Lazy loading helps improve your website's speed by loading videos only when visitors are about to watch them, instead of loading everything at once. This is especially useful if your pages include multiple video embeds. To get started, log into your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, open the Plugins section and click Add New. In the search bar, look for a performance plugin that supports lazy loading. Popular options include WP Rocket, Lightspeed Cache, or a dedicated plugin called Lazy Load for videos. Once you've chosen a plugin, click Install Now and then Activate. After activation, it's time to enable the lazy logging feature. If you are using WP Rocket, open the Settings menu and select WP Rocket. Inside the Media tab, locate the Lazy Load option and enable lazy loading for iframes and videos. This replaces YouTube embeds with a lightweight preview image, which loads the full video only when a visitor clicks play. If you are using a dedicated lazy load video plugin, the process is even simpler. After activation, videos are automatically replaced with clickable preview images. You can fine-tune the behavior by opening the plugin's settings from the settings menu in your dashboard. Once everything is configured, make sure to save your changes. After that, visit one of your pages with embedded videos to confirm everything is working correctly. That's it. By lazy mumbling YouTube videos, you reduce page load times and create a faster, smoother experience for your visitors. Thanks for watching and happy optimizing.